Hello everyone, I hope you all fine. Add eggs to cabbage and you will be surprised by the result of this combination. In a large bowl, add 300 grams of cabbage chopped into squares and 3 whole eggs. Next, add 1 medium onion, chopped into cubes, 1 medium grated carrot, 1 tomato chopped into cubes, parsley to taste, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 200 grams of cream cheese and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it. Then season this mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 drizzle of olive oil and mix until combined. This is the right mix. Transfer all this mixture to a medium baking dish. And tell me what like you this recipe. And tell me more, what did you make in your favorite recipes? Add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Top it all with oregano to taste. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Take it to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 30 minutes. And enjoy for eating. Thanks for watching.